Ever felt like your business banking was stuck in the slow lane while your business was sprinting ahead? What if there was a financial partner designed to keep pace, understand the unique needs of entrepreneurs, and maybe even offer a bit of a tailwind? That's the question many business owners are asking about Relay Bank. In today's digital age, traditional banking can sometimes feel, well, a bit traditional. Long wait times, confusing fee structures, and a lack of integrated tools can be a real drag on productivity and growth. So, naturally, when a new player like Relay Bank emerges, promising a different approach, it sparks curiosity. What exactly is Relay Bank? How is it different? And more importantly, could it be the right financial engine for your business? Think of Relay Bank as a fintech company that's laser-focused on the banking needs of small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs. They're not trying to be everything to everyone. Instead, they've carved out a niche by offering online business banking services designed for efficiency, collaboration, and seamless integration with other business tools you probably already use. Now, let's dive into some of the key things you absolutely need to know about Relay Bank if you're considering making the switch or just exploring your options. First and foremost, let's talk about the core offering, business checking accounts. Relay provides FDIC-insured checking accounts, which is fundamental. Your money is safe and secure, just like with a traditional bank. But the similarities might end there. One of the standout features that often gets highlighted is the ability to open multiple checking accounts. For a growing business, this can be a game changer. Imagine having separate accounts dedicated to different aspects of your operations, one for payroll, one for marketing expenses, one for general operating costs, and maybe even a dedicated account for taxes. This level of segregation can significantly simplify your bookkeeping, improve cash flow management, and give you a much clearer picture of where your money is going. No more sifting through a single, cluttered account to understand your financial health. Building on this, Relay often emphasizes team collaboration. Many businesses aren't solo operations. You might have partners, employees, or contractors who need access to certain financial information or the ability to make payments. Relay allows you to grant different levels of access to your team members, streamlining workflows and reducing the need for constant back and forth. This can be particularly useful for managing accounts payable or reimbursing employee expenses. Another crucial aspect in today's tech-driven world is integrations. Relay understands that your banking doesn't exist in a vacuum. You likely use accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, payment processors like Stripe or Square, and other business management tools. Relay often boasts seamless integrations with these platforms, meaning your financial data can flow automatically between your bank accounts and your other essential business software. This can save you countless hours of manual data entry, reduce errors, and provide a more holistic view of your business finances. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room for many businesses, fees. Traditional banks can sometimes nickel and dime you with various charges for everything from monthly maintenance to transaction fees. Relay generally takes a different approach, often advertising low or no monthly fees and transaction fees for standard activities. This can be a significant cost saving for businesses, especially those with high transaction volumes. However, it's always crucial to carefully review their fee schedule to understand any potential costs associated with specific services you might need, such as wire transfers or expedited services. Moving on to the practical side, you'll want to know about how you can access your money. As an online platform, Relay primarily operates digitally. You'll likely manage your accounts through their website or mobile app. They typically provide debit cards for making purchases and accessing funds. However, it's worth understanding their policies on cash deposits and withdrawals, as these might differ from traditional brick-and-mortar banks. While some may offer partnerships with ATM networks, others might focus solely on digital transactions. Security is paramount when it comes to your business finances. Relay Bank, being a regulated financial institution, employs industry-standard security measures to protect your funds and data. This includes encryption, multi-factor authentication, and fraud monitoring. It's always a good idea to understand the specific security protocols they have in place and what your responsibilities are in maintaining the security of your account. Customer support is another critical factor. When you have a question or encounter an issue, you need to know that help is readily available and responsive. As a digital-first institution, Relay typically offers support through channels like email, live chat, and phone. It's worth researching their reputation for customer service and understanding their support hours and response times. Reading reviews from other business owners can provide valuable insights here. Beyond the core banking features, Relay sometimes offers additional tools and services designed to help businesses grow. This could include features for managing accounts payable and receivable, tools for budgeting and forecasting, or even access to lending products or partnerships. As Relay evolves, their offerings might expand, so it's worth staying updated on any new features that could benefit your business. Now, let's consider if Relay Bank might be the right fit for your business. It often appeals to tech-savvy businesses. If you're already comfortable managing your finances online and rely on various software integrations, Relay's digital-first approach can be a natural fit. Growing businesses, the ability to open multiple accounts and collaborate with team members can be particularly beneficial as your business scales. Businesses looking to reduce fees, the often lower fee structure can be a significant advantage for businesses mindful of their bottom line. Businesses that value efficiency, seamless integrations, and streamlined processes can save you time and effort in managing your finances. However, it's also important to consider potential drawbacks. Lack of physical branches. If you frequently need in-person banking services or prefer face-to-face interactions, a purely online platform might not be ideal. Potential limitations on cash transactions. Depending on their policies, depositing and withdrawing cash might be less convenient compared to traditional banks. Reliance on technology. If you experience technical issues or internet outages, accessing your funds could be temporarily challenging. Before making a decision, it's crucial to do your own thorough research. Visit Relay Bank's website, review their features and fee schedule in detail, and read independent reviews from other business owners. Consider your specific business needs, your comfort level with online banking, and the types of transactions you typically handle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.